first night I'm hearing this sound. Literally, don't know what it is. If you guys know, please tell me. If I find out what animal makes that sound, I'll let you guys know.